On that note, hello. On that note, Mr. President, thank you so much for responding that evening of the earthquake, and to all the national agencies for being here right away and helping us with the rescue operations. To all the donors and the volunteers, thank you ever so much, Mr. President, and everyone from the bottom of our heart, from the provincial government.
Oh, as they say, the national government cannot do it without the local governments. We cannot do it without our first responders. We cannot do it without our volunteers. So, as they say, we win as a team. We are a team. That is why we get to do the work. Basta tayo lahat, nagko-coordinate, nag-uusap, mabilis ang pagdala ng rehabilitation, ng relief goods. Kaya basta nagtutulungan tayo. That is the effect of